Teachable's given me a chance to turn doing what I love into a full-time career.
Teachable gave me the ability to scale my business outside of different social platforms.
For as long as I can remember, I've been inspired by bright colors and beautifully embellished fabrics. Teachable has made it possible for me to bring that inspiration to my students.
We just really want to help people get their dream job in animation.
Schools were not teaching what they actually need to get a job. And we just looked at each other and we're like, why don't we teach it?
It's extremely easy to create a course on Teachable.
It was really intuitive. You don't need anything fancy.
What I enjoy most is the automation. Teachable saves us so much time.
When you're on a social platform, you're competing with a million other people. I've been able to connect with a much more engaged audience, go deeper with students, hear their stories, and see how they've grown.
When we get those messages from students,
You can feel the weight of the world lift off their shoulders.
There's really nothing better than that.
I worked in the fashion industry for a while. I did not find it that fulfilling. Being able to inspire others to make things was more natural. I'm a full-time teacher now, and I've been teaching hundreds of students.
Thousands of students
Teachable provided us the opportunity
And the flexibility.
to share what I know.